well built, strong, clean in design, practical, understated. I could be talking about the blackhouses here, or the level 8 case I brought with me. Both feel considered, capable and built to last.
Have any of you ever stayed at Garnan? If you have, please let me know which house you stayed in. They're all named after the last residents, so I'd love to know which one you stayed in and what it was like. Okay, let's go in and see what it's like. Come on. Oh wow, would you look at that? My level 8 case matches the kitchen. How nice. Oh, it's toasty. How fancy am I bringing this to a hostel? But you know what? It works. It's so sturdy and the wheels are so good that I've got no problem dragging it along the outside of the hostel out there.
One of the first things I noticed is how smooth it is to move. It has 360-degree ultra smooth spinner wheels, which means it just glides. Whether you're walking through an airport, down a road, or even along uneven ground like this. It's one of those things that you don't really think about until you have a case that moves this well. And then you realise how much easier it just makes everything.
And look at how comfy it is. Sitting at an airport, can't sit at Stornoway Airport with it unless you're checking it in because it won't go in Loganair's overhead compartment. This is the size 20 inch. It's the luminous, textured luminous in olive, and it's so lovely. It matches the decor in here as well. Like, I didn't even know this colour was in here.
The olive colour was one of my favourites. It feels very natural, very grounded, and it suits the tones of the islands, the landscapes, the stone, the sea. It doesn't shout like my pink one, but it definitely stands out in a quiet, confident way.
Level 8 have offered me a discount code to my viewers and it's Iona15. So it's capital Iona and that'll get you 15% off one of the cases, any case. So you can have a check on their website, I'll link it down below and you can see if there's anything that suits you and your travels. I chose this one because it just worked for me and it has to last. I need something that I can rely on and this is the fit. Usually I would take a rucksack or backpack with me to hostel, but they are in my lockup having moved. So this is what this is. Takes my weight, absolutely great. It's got the TSA approved lock on the front as well, and it's got all these compartments and it fits everything that you need to go away for, I don't know, overnight definitely, and 3 or 4 nights probably. So this will go. When I'm going on holiday away, I can take this as my hand luggage.
I really like the TSA lock, which means secure, hassle-free travel, especially important when I'm flying abroad or travelling around mainland Scotland. A small detail, but one that adds a lot of peace of mind. Not that I need it out here right now. There is no one else about, but it will definitely come in handy when Mum and I go to Dubai next month. And my cruises I've got booked this year. This case is really getting me excited for all of these lovely trips now.
I'll show you the inside of it, what I've got inside here for my night away.
It's also got large protective feet, so when you rest it on its side, the case itself isn't touching the ground, which is such a good practical detail, especially up here if it's wet on the ground. And the handles on the top and the sides are sturdy and comfortable, making it easy to lift in and out of cars, on and off ferries, no idea about trains, it might never see one, there aren't any in the Outer Hebrides.
Good crack. So you can get a bargain. Absolutely. This really has had a battering here. This really has had a bit of a battering at Garranan. But it's stood up to it, isn't it? I really am testing this out properly, good style. And it's coping with it. Right, we're testing out the wheels on this because it's been on very good flat surfaces up until now, until I brought it here. Knock, knock, will dinner stay? Can I stay tonight, please?
This is the reason for the waterproofs. A January coastal walk on the Isle of Lewis. Level 8 offers high-end, premium quality luggage, but at a more affordable price point, which we all know is really important. You're getting quality, durability and style without paying just for a name. They're also an award-winning brand, globally trusted, loved by tens of thousands of travellers worldwide, including me in a blackhouse in the Outer Hebrides.
What a great wee spot. With a cuppa and a book. I'm trying to get some inspiration for my next adventure around Scotland.
This time it's layers and waterproofs. Next time it'll be something very different I'll be packing for Dubai. Well, I am packed up and it's time to say goodbye. Level 8 offer free shipping to the US, Canada and Europe with fast delivery, typically within 3 to 7 business days. And that includes the Outer Hebrides. I got mine really quick, which I was very impressed by. They've also got really good customer service and the case comes with a lifetime warranty. That gives real long-term peace of mind. For me, it's not just about the case itself, it's about the whole experience. It really does make my travelling feel calmer and a lot easier.